Rogue software is malware that masquerades as legitimate and necessary security software that's supposed to keep your system safe. Rogue security software designers make pop-up windows and alerts that look legitimate. These alerts advise the user to download security software, agree to terms or update their current system in an effort to stay protected. By clicking yes to any of these scenarios, the rogue software is downloaded to the user's computer. In the case of a business network, making sure you have a secure firewall in place in your office will protect you and your employees from these types of attacks. It's also imperative to install a trusted antivirus or anti-spyware software program that can detect threats like rogue software. As with most types of crime, vigilance is one of the keys to prevention. As cyber criminals become more sophisticated and more transactions migrate online, the number of threats to people and businesses will continue to grow. Prepare yourself and your business by taking the time to secure your systems and make cybersecurity a priority.